So we learned the definition of bisect in the last chapter. Here we're doing it with angles. So we have congruent angles. We have this angle QRT, or sorry, QTR. So you can put the little angle symbol, this is theta, and then it would be equal to the other side. The reason why is because the RT that runs in the middle cuts that angle perfectly in half. So it is known as an angle bisector. So your angle, that's this big one here, is cut perfectly in half by the line that's in the middle, or the ray that's in the middle. Let's see what else is on here. Okay, so they gave an example. They said one side is 60 degrees, so the other side also has to be 60 degrees. So let's look at this example 2. Congruent angles and angle bisectors. In the figure, BA, and here's the other thing. They'll give you a picture and a lot of information. I would draw the information on the picture so that you can see it on the picture. In the figure, BA and BC are opposite rays and BD bisects ABE. So I'm going to draw that. I'm going to indicate which one's the bisector. BD, this one. This one cuts in half ABE. So that's this one. And so I know that this spot and this spot are equal to each other. It says ABD is equal to 4x plus 14. And DBE, this one, 8x minus 32. And it wants us to find, and the M stands for measure. So they wanted you to actually figure out the degrees of DBE, this angle here. That's our goal at the end. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Because we know that our two angles are equal to each other, we're going to set the two equations equal to each other. So 4x plus 14 equals 8x minus 32. And we're going to go and we're going to solve it. It's nice when they drew the picture out for you, but sometimes that doesn't happen and you have to know where to put everything. So 8 minus 4 is 4x minus 32. Add the 32 to both sides. I'm kind of getting into the words here. Wish they would give you more space. We get 46 equals 4x divided by 4. I don't know that off the top of my head. I think it's 16, but I gotta be sure. Nope, I was way off. 11.5. So x is 11.5. Okay, so now what we can do is go ahead and come back up here and put the 11.5 back in. Come on, I want to do different color. There we go. Okay, so 11.5 is going into this part right here. 8 times 11.5 minus 32. I'm grabbing my calculator. 8 times 11.5 minus 32, 60. So that means this other one is 60 degrees. Put the degrees on there. Okay. And because, I know they didn't ask us to find this, but because we have a straight line, and I know that this straight line right here equals 180, this one would also be 60 because those add up to 180. So let's go down and check and see if we are right. I think we are good. Oh, it doesn't give us the answer. Oh, yep, it gave us 11.5. So yeah, I think that's right.